Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change invitation settings in Whirlwind Meet. To manage your invitations, first open the menu. Do so by pressing the key in the top right corner, the escape key, or the menu key on your controller. Then go into Settings. In Settings, navigate to the Other Settings tab and scroll down until you see Invitation Settings. Under Invitation Settings, you can choose whether to be notified of SPAR requests. If closed, you won't be accepting, of course, any SPAR requests. You can toggle friend request pop-ups, team bar notifications between everyone and friends only, co-op modes between everyone and friends only, guild invitations likewise between everyone and friends only. You can toggle on or off smart invitation recommendation, like that. And you can also choose whether to be shown whether you are invited to the voice chat by everyone or friends only. And well, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.